All right, this is Vigor DIY coming to you again with another FYI. This is 2011 BMW 528i. This is the N52, and we're gonna bleed the system. So we've got the coolant topped off with the correct BMW blue. We just replaced the hose and the upgraded version of the aluminum. The upgraded version of the plastic. We got the aluminum. They don't break as much on the heat. And we're gonna hook up a battery pack to get consistent voltage. Okay. Not too complicated. You get in the vehicle. Set your accessory mode to. Set your temperature to the highest setting on both sides, dual climate, and then set your fan to the lowest speed. And then you push on the accelerator, push down all the way to the floor for about 10 seconds. And you can let go on the 11th second, which means that you should hear the pump. You should hear circulation in the system. You should hear the pump engaging. That's the electric water pump. Any vehicle with the electric water pump, basically. You can get out if you're not sure. And you can pretty much rest your hand on the reservoir. If the cap is off, you'll see it, spurting, and it's working. But I do it with the caps on. And you can listen, you can hear it circulating through the whole system. And if you're not sure, just put your hand here, like this, and you'll actually you'll feel it gargling through the system. That's the self-bleeding process. All right, again, it's Vigor DIY with another FYI.